Hello everyone, in this week's video I'm going to show how to draw 3 different kinds of hats. So let's get started. I drew this template in Clip Studio Paint. If you'd like to use this template for practice, you can download it from my Tumblr page. Link in the description. I start by drawing a curving line around the head. The line extends past the head on the left side. Next, I draw the brim of the hat. It starts out narrow and then gets wider. Then it curves around. Next, I draw the shape of the hat. It kinda has 2 parts that poof out. This first poof goes around the head and then curves down. Then we have the second poof on the back. Next, I'm going to use my Prismacolor fine line marker to darken my lines. I start by drawing a curving line that extends past the head on the left side. Next, I draw a line coming off the hat for the brim. I draw another line for the brim. The brim goes down towards the edges and up towards the middle. Next, I draw the shape of the hat. I make sure to leave some room between the hat and the head to leave room for the hair underneath. These kind of hats often have lines that go down the hat, so I added some. Next, I'm going to use my Prismacolor fine line marker to darken my lines. I start by drawing a curving line around the head. Then I draw some wiggly lines on the side. Then I draw another curving line. Next, I draw the shape of the hat. Now I draw some triangles for the ears. I add some seam detail inside of the ears. Next, I'm going to use my Prismacolor fine line marker to darken my lines. Before I end this video, I want to say thank you so much to my patrons, including Eduardo, Julie, Nari-chan, Pisatera, Rachel, and Stephanie. Thank you so much for being a patron and for your support. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next week in my next video. Bye! I make sure to leave some room between the hat and the head to leave the room. Yeah, they're being so noisy. Thank you all so much for being a Patreon. They're not a Patreon, they're a patron. They're not a Patreon. They're a patron. A patron. A patron. They're a patron, not a Patreon.